Hello guys, in this lesson I will talk to you about customizing ZBrush interface. But before that I want to show you something. As you can see, after we just open ZBrush, we have this tool menu and it doesn't have a lot of different options here. But if I will press on this simple brush icon and choose any primitive from here, I will choose Sphere 3D in my case. You can see that right now this tool menu has a lot of different submenus that we didn't have before. But still, if I will press on this geometry submenu, you can see that it doesn't have a lot of options here. That's only because we are right now working with the primitive. If I will press this edit button and press make polymesh 3D button, we will start working with the polymesh 3D model. After that we can see that our geometry submenu has a lot of different options here, and that's what we wanted. You might think, why is it important? And I will tell you that we will be utilizing all of these options in our custom menus. For us to start creating our custom menus and customizing our ZBrush interface, we have to go to Preferences, Config, Enable Customize. For us to be able to do it, we have to press Ctrl Alt. And while holding Ctrl Alt, if I will press on any of these icons and try to drag it, it will change its position. I can get rid of it by dragging it on a document area. But don't worry, it didn't disappear completely. You can always find it in our upper menus here. You can open any of these menus and drag any button you want, wherever you want. The same principle works with brushes. You can open brushes menu by pressing on this icon, or alternatively you can press B button on your keyboard. Here you can see that we have a lot of different brushes, and it can be a little bit problematic to look for a brush you want here. But the problem is that you just cannot press Ctrl Alt here and drag any of these brushes on your screen panels. It will just not work like this. First you have to choose a brush. In my case I had chosen a move brush, and it will appear here in the brush menu. You can see it here, and also you can see a big representation of this brush here. From this menu I can already drag the move brush icon to any place on my screen. For us to be able to create our custom menus, we have to go to Preferences and press on the Custom UI submenu. Here you can see that it has a Create New Menu button. Press on it. After you press Enter, nothing will happen. But you can find your custom menu here amongst your upper menus. Right now it doesn't have anything here. Let's move it to the left side panel. And while holding Ctrl Alt, we can put anything we want there. We can also change the name of our menu by pressing on the Names menu while holding Ctrl Alt. But I want you to know, if you will completely clean your menu's name and press Enter, it will disappear. And this way you can delete your menus. We will not do it right now, we will change it to something else. My menu, for example. There is also an option to create submenus inside your custom menu. We just have to go to Preferences, and here we can see that this custom UI submenu has this custom subpalette option. We have to press Ctrl Alt and drag it on our menu's name. In this way it will create a submenu inside our menu. Right now, if you will try to change your submenu's name by pressing Ctrl Alt and on the name of your submenu, nothing will happen. That's only because you don't have anything right now inside your submenu. If you put anything inside it, it will allow you to change its name. You can also create a submenu inside your submenu. Just go to Preferences and drag this custom subpalette on the name of your submenu. And in this way you will create a submenu inside your submenu. If you will drag this custom subpalette on your menu's name, it will create a separate submenu that will not be in any way connected to your first submenu. For you to get rid of submenus, just press Ctrl Alt and drag it on the document area. Go to Preferences, and here under Config, remove Enable Customize. And right now press Store Config. If you will not press Store Config, it will not save anything, and next time you will open ZBrush, you will not see your changes. Right now you can access the submenus that you created by going to the upper menus here and pressing on it. But it's not very convenient every time to open it like this. That's why it will be very convenient for you to create a hotkey to be able to access your menu instantly while working on your model. The system with assigning hotkeys is very much similar to customizing your ZBrush interface. Just press Ctrl Alt and press once on your menu while holding Ctrl Alt. And after that, after you did it, you can Press any key combination on your keyboard and it will assign this hotkey to your menu. After you assign the hotkey for your menu, you can just press the combination on your keyboard and get access to your menu instantly. Like this. You can also assign hotkeys to your brushes. You can assign hotkeys to anything you want, by the way. Open your brush menu. And while holding Ctrl-Alt, press on any of the brushes you want to assign hotkey to. After you clicked once on the brush, just press any key combination on your keyboard and it will assign this combination as a hotkey to your brush. And it's very important to save your hotkeys as well. Go to Preferences, Hotkeys and press Store. In this way it will store your hotkeys and next time you open ZBrush it will be there. Thank you for watching and see you soon in my next video.